Yaheetech sent me this outdoor table, so in this video I want to do a quick assembly and give my first impressions of this. So here's everything that comes in the box, including the top, the legs, the side, the base, the umbrella holder, the umbrella cover, the hardware, and the instructions. So the first thing to do is to grab the umbrella holder and the base and go ahead and screw them in. And we're going to be using the small screws with a washer. Now we can move this to the side and then grab the top and flip it upside down, and we can go ahead and screw in the legs right here using the same small screws. Now we can attach the sides and make sure that the hole is facing upwards, and we're going to be using these long screws. And then we can do the same thing for the other side. And now we can go ahead and screw in the bottom piece with the small screws. So here's the finished table, and it ended up looking really nice. Now this is going to be fairly small. It's going to be a little over 18 inches in height, and it's going to be about 21.8 inches by 21.8 inches for the top part. Now as far as weight capacity goes, it's supposed to be about 264 pounds, so I'm about 190, so it should be able to support my weight if I sit right here. And yep, it supports it. So it feels nice and sturdy. And one of my favorite parts about this table is going to be the sides. It has all these different hole openings, and it just makes it look a lot more intricate. Now the umbrella holder is going to have a 2-inch diameter here, and one cool thing about this is there is actually going to be a knob down here, so you can actually go ahead and tighten it. So that's something I've never had in other tables before. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this table, and my mom likes it too. So I went ahead and just added a little bit more things. I rearranged it, I added the chairs, I added the umbrella, and it just looks a lot cleaner on our deck now.